Don't stop. You're still. Why do you not just double click the home button, you bot? I didn't think you could be that bad at using an iPad. Grotto. Where are you going?
I'm gonna fly all around the world.
Why?
Why not?
Quickly get the minigun, quickly loot the vault, go get the chopper. Wait, you're not even gonna loot the grotto?
I am. I was gonna quickly get the mini, quickly get the vault, and that's all I need. I'm just gonna sideways into a scar, because why not? And then we're gonna get the chopper. Get out of here. Get out of here, and maybe even get a mythic scar. I'm serious. Mythic scar.
A mythic scar? What the heck?
Do you not know what a mythic scar? A mythic sword, my bad.
Mythic sword?
Yeah, that's from season 7.
Are you insane? What did you say next? Mythic planes?
Yeah, no. I'm a shadow guy. I'm shadow notice. I'm shadow notice.
Alright, I have a pump.
I want Agent Peely to die.
Ah! Why do you want Agent Peely to die?
Because he's a banana. That's from season
Oh, let's
7.
go!
What you got?
I have some great loot.
What
I have an
did
AK
you
for you,
get?
but I have a better AK.
What do you have? Tell me.
If you don't shut up, if you shut up right now.
Okay,
You didn't shut up.
I will
Mythic AK. I mean, gold AK.
celebrate that and you will be impressed.
Where are you going? And why are you talking like that?
I am not gonna do that anymore.
Is this Chunky Boy?
He knows you something.
No, I don't.
Good, because I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna kill him because he's mean. He's always
What's up, boy?
see him?
No. Oh, I see Chunky Boy.
He's rapid.
Come on.
Die, Chunky Boy.
Where's
die.
Chunky Boy? Do you see him?
I don't see him. I'm going over.
Well, you're not gonna help me. Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Shoot him.
Got him. I got him.
Die, idiot.
Alright, can I have it? Ah. Go. Go. Yeet.
I'm gonna take a really fast trip to the shop. Is that alright?
No. Why do you always have to leave me?
It's fine.
No, it's not fine, actually. Can I have some healing?
Okay.
Really?
Go side crate.
Can I, you just took my healing? Okay, whatever.
Okay. Whatever. Why do we never catch those?
Because I hate this game. I mean, no, that's not why, but okay.
Maybe it's because someone else hates it.
Hashtag content. Let's go. If we
Are
get...
you recording?
Yes, I am. Are you? I mean, I hope I am. Yes, I am.
Good. I'm ready to side crate.
Ah, give me my gun back.
Should we go for the AK or what? No, let's not go for the AK. I'm fine with a gold.
Henchy? What's up, Henchy?
Do you think we should go for the gun, the mythic? Or do you want to go for the bow? I just need wood and metal, and I can upgrade to a gold scar. It's really easy to get metal, but not easy to get wood. The storm's about to start coming.
Anna.
We'll be safe though.
Where's the chopper?
I'm still doing some work.
What are you doing?
Getting a gold scar.
Really? That's more important than surviving?
Storm won't catch us that quickly. got a really powerful gun. You could make a gold scar if you wanted.
I want to use the AK a bit.
Yeah, I made it a gold scar.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the chopper. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna get the freaking chopper.
Someone took it?
No, because I went to the wrong location. I'm using miniguns.
That one?
Where is the helicopter pad?
Up you.
I see it now. Give me that heavy sniper. Let's go.
Oh, this thing is just busted. Can I make it gold?
No. It's not
Why
busted.
are you using technique?
I'm not.
I said, why are you not? Don't you like that skin?
I'm using my Maya.
I thought you liked technique.
Technique?
I
Robert?
should drive. Could you have a heavy sniper?
Then drive. Then drive. Drive.
I'm going.
Why are you driving?
It's taking me forever to get in the driver's seat.
Wait, who just kicked me out? Get in, drive.
And now it should be gold, right?
See.
It's not even gold though. It's Midas memory.
Give me that. Oh, it's in the storm. The storm is like right by us. Stop tilted.
Players.
Where? Where are you going? Don't fight them.
Why not?
I'm too
What if
lazy.
they have a mythic?
I'm too lazy.
Oh, it's a squad.
Wait, why?
They're a squad team.
Oh, they're teaming, right.
Yeah, we're not fighting them.
Let's
Go weeping and salty.
Wait. I want to snipe.
You said not to mess with a squad.
Ah, bye-bye. All right, get out. Get out.
Why?
I mean, land it.
Is this a good hill?
Yeah, it's a great hill. Nothing bad will ever happen. Because you can't lose fall damage. Oh, there's people?
When I launch, I shotted him for 48.
Oh, I see him.
Got him? Knocked him?
Oh, it's a galaxy? Oh, are you kidding me? Launch.
Alright.
Wait, no, yeah. Alright. Are you kidding me? Did he launch?
Yeah, you said to.
I broke the launch pad. God dang it. Don't say died. Don't say you died. Did you get them?
Yeah, he had no gun.
Great. No wonder he wanted to team. There's still people here? Well, that wasn't hard.
Because I damaged him like 48.
Now it's some minigun ammo. Oh, shoot.
That's our chopper.
Who stole that? Alright,
We
whatever.
worked hard getting it.
He's an idiot. Because I have my minigun magic.
Let's go. Let's just go this way. Holly.
I'm on an auto run.
Auto run.
Just look at my auto run.
I'm on auto run.
Let's
I see
go.
the wall. On mobile, it's really easy to do.
What? Are we getting into fights?
No, we're not in a fight. The oil rig is in a circle, which means the map is going to get destroyed. Okay.
I'm turning off the lock. No, I want to auto run now.
Oh, wait, turn it back on.
Huh? How? What are you doing?
I'm getting my health back.
How much health do you have? 360.
Fine.
Yeet. I switched to another gun. Here's Josh. Josh,
What?
wait. Stand on my,
Do you have a rocket launcher?
stand on my door.
Why? You want a rocket ride?
No, stand up. I'm doing it with minis. And And jump. It's possible. And jump. God. Give me my minis back.
I only have one.
Give me my mini.
Oh no, those are not yours.
Give me my mini. Why didn't you just throw one at me? I was dumb of
Good
it.
idea.
Uh,
At least I can throw you this. No, I don't want you to have it. Here. Oh shoot, I didn't think about the storm.
Yep, neither did I. Yay! A final circle in Holly? I mean, not a final, but...
Yeah, it's kind of a final.
Anyone who will fight me will die to my minigun!
And Dynamite Gold Scar and Rapid Fire.
Shut up! It's the minigun
Have you
magic.
ever had a purple Rapid Fire or something? It's a glitch.
It's the minigun magic.
In the Gold Scar Magic.
Shut up! It doesn't sound good.
What about the Rapid Fire? The Rapid Fire's a little bit.
Minigun.
The Rapid Fire reloads like magic.
Was someone there?
No, I'm just seeing I'm seeing how cool its reload animation is. Ah, I think someone is here.
Where?
Oh, I heard someone using a minigun.
That's me.
Oh, that's you. All right, Adam, we're gonna make it to the circle, but maybe a little bit of health will be gone and die. Do you see someone? Because I think I know.
No, I do.
Where?
I just saw bullets.
I see someone.
Where? Oh, I see someone too.
Right.
Oh, let me snipe him. Got him. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Alright, that was a waste of match. I need some wood.
And that was a waste of him. I actually need some mats, Adam. I need
Don't break that
wood,
tree.
but I need wood. I have 25.
No, don't break the trees. Don't break the trees!
Why?
That gets their attention scene.
I only broke a kind of big rock.
Ooh, watch out.
Whoops. Who cares? We can get all the kills with miniguns and stuff we need.
Do you have a minigun?
Wish. But you didn't let me have one.
I need
'Cause
5.
you have 2 miniguns. I wish I had.
Shut up!
Can I please have?
No! I need my 5 miniguns to become the minigun magista.
There's not even 5 miniguns in the game.
I don't. Yes, there are. What's up? What's up? You want a piece of me?
You see someone?
No.
I mean, I see
I'm
a
talking to that
5,
chest.
but I can't kill him.
I'm talking to that chest.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Ooh.
The one with a gun I'm not even gonna need. I just stole
That's-
your.
I
I
need
just
that.
stole ammo.
That was my first shotgun in the game.
Really?
I didn't have a shotgun.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's go in it.
Ladies first.
I broke it. Is it a secret passage?
This is cool. I think this is the evil teddy bear's lair.
Look, Adam. The gnomes captured.
Hey, the gnomes!
They captured.
Let's kill this teddy bear.
Yeah, evil. And I think his friends are his friends are able to be carried, right?
Oh my god, watch out, watch out.
We killed the gnomes. We didn't kill the
Oh guys, all the teddy bears are in prison. Save the bears. Yes. Oh guys, I think someone's in our building. Let's
Yeah, leveled up from saving the bears.
watch out. There's people here.
Do you see him?
There's people up top.
Yeah, someone just died by TNT in his boom bow.
Are you sure you want to go up there?
Oh, hello.
Hey, Josh.
Hello.
Come on.
I'm with my brother.
Watch out.
Watch out. Wait,
Watch out, watch out.
watch out.
Yeah, I'm playing with my brother. You want to play with him?
Wanna play with him? Yeah, sure.
Come on, get up here.
Come on. I got 2.
Oh, I should met up just because I'm
I
real.
almost have full gold Midas.
I'm a big risk taker. This could ruin my game. Someone's in here.
Adam, someone is right above us.
Ah!
What?
Got him. Don't worry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, chill.
I'm frozen.
I'm almost dead.
I'm frozen.
I'm almost dead.
You killed him?
I killed him.
I froze.
We're gonna get this.
The minigun cannot stop lag.
You think we're gonna get the win, Adam?
But if you get 5 miniguns, you don't take any damage. It's a hack.
I wish I had.
Do you have any minigun ammo?
I have a rapid fire SMG with 800.
I have a rapid fire.
With 800? 800? Give me some ammo!
I will want.
I have a minigun Majesta!
Okay. Here's an ammo.
You give me all of your ammo. No, I'm not kidding. Not all of your ammo.
That was 400.
Oh!
That is using the zero skin.
Oh, I am the minigun man. Bow down to me!
I don't have that emo. I have this one.
Hey, that's a bad emo.
Is this one good?
What are you doing? Side hustle?
Ah, the sword!
Oh my god!
I'm scooting it. Adam, if you
Let's
want
go.
to be a true person, we have to get you some scoots. I have scoots, so I'm a legend. Only legends have scoots. Adam, we each have an emote you can walk with. Right? Because I got scoots. But you didn't buy scoots. Because you thought they were useless.
But now I got free V-Bucks. And I accidentally spent it on Cuddle. Bad.
What about our zero or the bundle?
0!
You better than Ravenpool and Cuddle.
No, I'd get Cuddle. I mean, Raven Bull's awesome.
No, you have to get the bundle or zero.
No, 0, because you could just buy them on your own. How you doing?
Adam, are you ready to kill these last players?
Can I kill them?
Depends.
No, let me kill them.
Depends.
No, I want to prove the minigun.
I can get them low with my skull. Okay? FaZe Cookie just died.
FaZe Cookie.
FaZe. Someone FaZe.
No,
game?
FaZe killed someone. Oh, watch out. Where is he?
FaZe Cookie a real FaZe player?
No. I'm making.
Adam, our chopper! That's our chopper!
Oh my god! Wait, watch out! Here, let me. Can I kill him? Can I kill? Oh, god dang it!
That was FaZe Cookie.
Watch out! What's up? Let's go! The minigun Majesta!
Oh, Adam, I can't stop running. I have auto run on.
Minigun Majesta!
Adam, 5-0. Should I stop my vid?
Yeah.